Hello everyone! This is the first lesson of our Metahuman tools. In this lesson, we'll first talk about the different versions of Metahuman. First of all, the current mainstream Metahuman versions are two versions. Versions from 5.2 to 5.5. This version, Metahuman, is mainly composed of its head is driven by DNA. As for the body, it is mainly driven by UE's own RBF, Maya nodes and Maya's built-in nodes to drive this mesh. Okay, but in version 5.6, there was an update, that is, the head and the body are both driven by DNA. Okay, this is the main difference. In 5.6, both the body and head are driven by DNA, while in 5.2, the head is driven by DNA, and the body is driven by some deformation nodes and Maya nodes. And for 5.2, they are mainly implemented through the Bridge plugin. Its DNA library. We can open Bridge. After logging into our account, click here, then select any one, and here we can click Export. Click Export. First you need to download it. After downloading, export it. Then it will install a plugin here. After the plugin is installed, we can go to Maya's plugin manager and scroll down. Usually it's at the bottom. Then find it here. This is the DNA node. And this is the RBF deformation node. And this one as well. Okay. However, if you are using the latest plugin downloaded from Bridge, that plugin may not support older versions of Maya very well. You may need to find an older version, or ask us for an older version. After finding it, we can then take a look at the Maya module installation. Usually after installing through Bridge, it will place a file under the modules folder. This one. Of course, I've moved it away here. For example, this is targeting a specific Maya version, like this. You can also do it like I did. Move the module into the Maya folder you want. For example, I can move it under 20. Right. If there is no modules folder, you can manually create one. Then put the module inside. Then it will be enabled only in the specified Maya versions, and not enabled in other Maya versions. Okay, this is the installation for 5.2. Now let's look at the installation for 5.6. For 5.6, we open Epic and go directly to the Fab page. This is what I opened earlier. You can just go back. Okay, usually it's on the Metahuman page. Then you can search Maya. You can see it shows up here. We click this. Okay. Here, if you need it, you need to install Unreal Engine 5.6 or 5.7 first, because this plugin can only be installed on those versions. Okay, after installation, for example, I install it here, but I already installed it, so it will pop up saying it can't be installed. If you haven't installed it, it will install normally. After installation, we directly look here. How to add this plugin? For example, add it to the library. Adding to the library installs it. Then scroll down. Here is the detailed installation method. Browse this plugin on the Fab page. Then, select the Unreal Engine version. OK. After installation, browse to Windows File Explorer. Find the corresponding Unreal Engine version. This is actually where your Unreal Engine is installed. Assuming. Let's look at mine. For example, find the Unreal Engine path. OK. For example, 5.6. This was installed earlier. Then follow its under the Plugins folder. Engine plugins. Then, those starting with SM. Here is 5.6. Open content. For 5.6, it was installed before. So it's an MSI installer. You can install it by double-clicking. But if we use the latest version now, I recommend using the latest one. Then similarly, 5.7 is the latest. Then plugins. Find here. Here, you can see a zip file here. This is what it says here. Extract this zip to a Maya directory. For the Maya directory, for example, I directly put it under this path. If you want it like before, to target a specific Maya version, for example, Maya 2025, you can install it under Maya 2025. Of course, I put it here. Then Maya 2023, Maya 2024, Maya 2025, and 2.6 will all enable this plugin. After placing it here, we can look at the structure. Open it. OK, it's actually just these two files, and it matches. Mine here. So just extract the files to this location. After installation is complete, we open Maya. For example, I open Maya 2025. OK, go to Windows, Settings, Plugin Manager. After opening, scroll down. Scroll to the bottom. Find meta-human-for-maya.py. After checking it, then also check the corresponding required items. These are actually corrective tools. They are tools that come with this plugin itself, or tools used for deformation. Usually we only need this, but it's best to check all, because when using other tools, they will be checked automatically. OK, after checking all, it's fine. The plugin will be loaded. OK, at this point, we can use our AC rigging tools. One thing to note, the plugin for versions 5.2 to 5.5 and the plugin for 5.6 cannot be enabled at the same time. That means, if in Maya 2025, or Maya 2023, or other Maya versions supported by the Bridge DNA plugin, supported Maya versions, if you enable that plugin, you cannot enable this one, because these two are likely mutually exclusive. It's best not to use them together. Recommended, use the new one in Maya 2025. And for Maya 2024, Maya 2022. Use the older one, or like me, use another plugin in an even lower version. This keeps the Maya environment clean. OK, this concludes the first lesson of the Metahuman 5.6 tools. In the next lesson, we'll cover the specific rigging workflow and tool usage. Thank you, everyone.